Hello, my dear student. Welcome to Amader Pathshala, represented by Manipur Uccha Vidyalaya and College. Dear student, you just see that. Welcome to. Today I am here just to teach Higher Math first paper of class 11 and 12, chapter 4, circle. You just see the slide. Today's topic is circle, exercise 4.1 and 4.2. Dear student, before going to discussion, at first I would like to say learning outcomes. You just see that at the end of the lesson we will all will be able to learn, identify the equation of the circle with the center at origin. Determine the equation of a circle with a fixed center and radius. Determine the general equation of the circle. Discuss different formulae of a circle. Dear student, we can learn more, discuss position of a point with respect to a circle. Discuss mathematical problem of a circle. Discuss creative question of a circle. Now, we would like to see the equation of a circle with a center at origin. You just say that. Let Pxy be a point on the circle with center O00 and radius A, which is represented in the adjoining figure. You just see that O is a center and P is a point on the circle. So, OP is a radius, that is OP is equals to A. By distance formula, you can find OP, the value of OP is square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equals to A square. So, it will be square root of x square plus y square equals to A. By squaring both sides, we get x square plus a square equals to A, which is the required equation of the circle with center 0, 0 and radius A unit. Okay, dear student, now we are going to the next slide. Now, we would like to see the equation of a circle with fixed center and radius. Let, as before, we are considering that let P xy be a point on the circle with center C, A, K and radius A unit. Then Cp equals to A. You just see that Cp by distance formula, as before we can find the value of Cp square root of x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to A. By squaring both sides, x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to A, which is the required equation of the circle with center A, k and radius A unit. Dear student, now we would like to find the general equation of a circle. We have already learned the equation of a circle whose center A, k and radius A unit is given by x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to A square. You just see that we have written this x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to A square. By if we expand x minus a whole square and y minus k whole square with the help of the formula of a minus b whole square, then we can rewrite this x square minus 2x plus a square, then y square minus 2yk plus k square equals to A square. Now, we are rearranging in this way. At first, we will write down the term regarding x, then terms regarding y, then terms regarding x, then term regarding y and the constant term. Okay, we have written this x square and this y square, this minus 2hx, this minus 2y ky, or then the variable free term, I mean constant term plus h square plus k square, and then this minus a square. If we take this minus a square from the left side to right side to the left side, then it will be minus a square. Okay, you just see that we have considering this equation as the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. You just see that where 2g equals to minus 2h, it means that g equals to minus h. Where 2f equals to minus 2k, it means that f equals to minus k, and c equals to h square plus k square minus a square. The equation of this circle was h, k. So, the value of h is minus g and the value of k is minus f. So, the center of this general equation is minus g, comma minus a. Okay, then we can go to the next slide. Again, C equals to h square plus k square minus a square. Just you just see that we can rewrite this a square equals to h square plus k square minus c. So a equals to square root of h square plus k square minus c. If we put the value of h and k in this relation, we get a equal to g square root of g square plus f square minus c. So the general equation of a circle is given by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals to g plus c equals to 0, whose center is minus g comma minus f and its radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c unit. Okay. Then now we would like to see different formulae of the general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals to 0. Just now we have determined its center is minus g comma minus f and its radius g square plus f square minus c unit. Length of the intercept cuts off by the circle, I mean the general equation of the circle equals to 2 root g square minus c. Length of the y intercept cuts off by the general equation of the circle 2 root f square minus c. If the circle touches x axis, then what will be? Then the length of intercept will be 0. That is 2 root g square minus c equals to 0. Then it will by making calculation it will stand as g square equals to c. As similarly, if the circle touches y axis, then this part, I mean the length of the y intercept equals to 0. So by making calculation we will get a relation like this, f square equals to c. Okay, dear student, you just see that another formula, if the circle touches x and y axis, I mean the both axes, then we will get a relation like this, g square equals to f square equals to c. If the circle passes through the origin, then you just see that, then x is if we put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, then we will get c equals to 0. Okay. Next one, if a circle touches a straight line, then the straight line will be tangent. Okay. So then the perpendicular distance to the straight line from the center of the circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, we must keep these formulae in our mind. Dear student, now we would like to see the position of a point px1 y1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. There are three rules here. You just see that first one, the point px1 y1 lies on the circle x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. If x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy y1 plus c equals to 0. The point, similarly, the point x1 y1 lies inside the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 if x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c less than 0. As before, the point x1 y1 lies outside the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0 if x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c greater than 0. Okay. Now we would like to see some questions. Question number 1. A circle passes through the origin and cuts off intercept 3 and 5 from the positive direction of x and y axis respectively. Find the equation of the circle. We are considering that the equation of the circle B, let the equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the equation number 1, whose center minus g comma minus f. Since the circle 1 passes through the origin, then we get a relation c equals to 0. We have already learned this. Okay. Next one, you just see that since the circle cuts off intercept 3 and you just see that 3 and 5 from positive direction of x and y axis respectively. So we can say that the circle 1 passes through the point 3, 0 and 0, 5 respectively. for the point 3 comma 0 from equation 1 we get that the equation 1 was x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Now we are putting x equals to 3 and y equals to 0. X equals to 3, then x square means 9, y square is y is 0 plus 2gx means 2 into g into x is 3, that is 6g plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. As before we have determined c equals to 0, then it will be 9 plus 6 g equals to 0 or g equals to minus 9 by 6. If we make expressed into the lowest form, then the value of g is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now again for the point 0 comma 5 from 1 we get, now we are putting x equals to 0 and y equals to 5, x square it will be 0, y square 5 square means 25, 2 gx 2 into g into 0 that is 0, 2 into f into y that is 2 into 5 into f that is 10f plus c equals to 0. Since c equals to 0, so we get 25 plus 10 equals to 0. Therefore, f equals to minus 25 by 10. As before, if we express into the lowest form, then we will get the value of f is minus 5 by 2. We have already determined the value of g, f and c. See, here g is minus 3 by 2, f is minus 5 by 2 and c is 0. So, if we put the value of g, f and c in 1, then we get x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 0 equals to 0. Then x square plus y square, these 2 and 2 will be cancelled, plus a minus 3x plus these 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So, plus a minus 5y equals to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Now, I would like to see another question. Okay. Dear student, you just see that the center of a circle lies on a straight line 2x minus y equals to 3. If the circle passes through the point 3 comma 0, then find its equation. As before, we are considering the equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, whose center is minus g minus f. Since the center minus g minus f lies on the straight line 2x minus y equals to 3, then we will put the value of x is minus g and the value of y is minus f. Then we get minus 2 into g plus f equals to 3. So, or f equals to 3 plus 2g. This is the equation number 2 and the equation of the circle was equation number 1. Now, we will go to the next slide. Again, the circle 1 passes through the point 3 comma minus 2 and minus 2 comma 0. Then we get at first for the point 3 comma minus 2. Now, we are putting x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 2 in the equation number 1. Then we will get x square means 3 square, 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4, plus 2 into 3 into z, that is 6z, plus 2 into minus 2 into f, that is c equals to 0. Okay. 9 plus 4, this is 13 plus 6z minus 4f plus c equals to 0. This is the relation number 3. Again, now we are putting x equals to minus 4 and y is equal to 0 in equation 1. Then x square equals to 2 square means 4, minus 2 square is equals to 4 plus 0 square equals to 0 plus 2 into minus 2 into g, that is minus 4g, plus 2 into 0 into y, that is 0 plus c equals to 0. Then it will be minus 4 minus 4g plus c equals to 0. Now we are subtracting 3 from 4, we are subtracting 4 from 3, then we will get 9 plus 10g minus 4f equals to 0. Now we are putting the value of f from 2, then we will get 9 plus 10g minus 4 into the value of f is 3 plus 2g. By making calculation of this part, we will get 2g minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, g equals to 3 by 2. You just say that. Then from to f equals to 3 plus 2g, that is 2 into 3 by 2, these 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Again from 4 minus 4g plus c equals to 0, then 4 minus 4 into g is minus 3 by 2 plus c equals to 0. then this 4 is here. You just see that 4 3 is 12. If we divide 12 by 2, then we will get 6 plus c equals to 0. Therefore, c equals to 2. Now, if we put the value of g, f and c in equation number 1 as before, then we will get x square plus y square plus 2, g is 3 by 2 into x plus 2 into f is 6 into y plus c is 2 equals to 0. Then x square plus y square, these 2 and 2 will be cancelled, 3x plus 6 2 are 12y plus 2 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Dear student, now would like to see another question. A circle passes through a circle touches x-axis at the point 4, 0 and cuts off a chord of length 6 unit from the y-axis. Find the equation of the circle. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, whose center is minus g, minus f. Since the circle 1 touches x-axis, then c equals to g square. Again the circle 1 passes through the point 4, 0, then you will get 4 square equals to 16, then 0 square equals to 0 plus 2 into 4 into g, that is 4g 8g plus 2 into f into 0 equals to 0 plus c equals to 0, then 16 plus 6 16 plus 8g plus c g square equals to 0, or again you just see that the c is equal to g square. Okay, then g plus 4 whole square equals to 0, or g plus 4 equals to 0, therefore g equals to minus 4. From 2 you just see that c is equal to g square. Since the value of g is minus 4, so it will be minus 4 whole square equals to 16. Okay, by the condition the length of y intercept is 2 root f square minus c equals to 6. It is given in the question. So if we divide both sides by 2, then we will get square root of f square minus c equals to 3. By if we put the value of c is, then we will get square root of f square minus 16 equals to 3. By squaring both sides, f square minus 16 equals to 9, or f square equals to 25, or f equals to square root of plus minus 25. You just see that putting the value of g, f and c in 1, we will get x square plus y square plus 2 into g is minus 4 into x plus 2 into plus minus f is plus minus 5 into y plus c is 16 equals to 0. Then x square plus y square minus 8x plus minus 10y plus 16 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Now we would like to another problem. We would like to see another problem. A circle with radius root 10 passes through the point 1, 1 and its center lies on the circle. Y is equal to 3x minus 7. Find the equation of the circle. Let the equation of the circle be x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to a square. In this case, center is h, k and radius is a unit. Here you just see that radius is given in the quotient. A, the value of a is half root 10. So this equation will be x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to half root 10 whole square. Okay, x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square, half whole square, it means that 1 by 4. Square root 10 whole square is 10. So 10 by 4. If we make express into the lowest form, then it will be 5 by 2. This is the equation number 1. Then since the center h, k lies on the line y equals to 3x minus 7, so this line will be satisfied by the point h, k. So now if we put x equals to h and y equals to k, then we will get k equals to 3 h minus 7. This is the relation number 2. Again the circle 1 passes through the point 1, 1. It is given in the quotient. Then we get x minus a whole square, it will be 1 minus a whole square. Y minus k whole square, it will be the value of y is 1. 1 minus k whole square equals to 5 by 2. Now we are it will be 1 minus a whole square, 1 minus k. What is the value of k? From you just see that the value of k into 3h minus 2. So minus k equals to minus 3h plus 7 whole square equals to 5 by 2. So now we are expanding this and this with the help of a minus b whole square. You just know that the formula of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then it will be 1 square means 1 minus 2 into 1 into h, that is 2h plus h square. Then it will be 8 square means 64 minus 2 into 8 into 3h, that is 48h plus 3h whole square equals to 9h square equals to 5 by 2. Okay. Now we are making calculation in this line. 9h square plus h square, this is 10h square minus 48h minus 2h, this is minus 50h, 65 plus 1, this is 64 plus 1, this is 65 equals to 5 by 2. Now we are dividing both side by 5, then you will get, you just see that 2h square minus 10h plus 13 equals to half. Okay, by cross multiplication, 2h square into 2, this is 4h square minus 10h into 2, this is 20h plus 13, 2s are 16 equals to 1, 4h square minus 20h, 26 minus 1 equals plus 25 equals to 0. We can expand this with the help of formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we can write down 2h minus 5 whole square, that is 2h minus 5 equals to 0, therefore h is equal to 5 by 2. From 2 we get k equals to 3h minus 7. So if we put the value of h, 3 into 5 by 2 minus 7, by making calculation of this part we will get the value of h, k is half. Okay. We have already got the values of h and k. Now if we put the value of h and k in 1, we get x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y minus half whole square equals to 5 by 2. Now we are expanding this with the formula of a minus b whole square and rearranging. Then we will get from here x square, then from here y square minus 2 into 5 by 2 into x, that is 5x, minus 2 into y into half equals to minus y, plus 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4 plus half whole square is 1 by 4 equals to 5 by 2. Then x square plus y square minus 5x minus y, 25 by 4 plus 1 by 4, this is 26 by 4, that is 13 by 2 equals to 5 by 2. Then x square plus y square minus 5x minus y, 13 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is 8 by 2, that is x square plus y square minus 5x minus y plus 4 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Okay. Now we would like to see another question. If they see that, show that the point A11 lies on the circle x square plus y square plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. Find the coordinates of the other end point of the diameter. For the point A11, we get that if we put x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 in this relation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12, then we get 1 square plus 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 6 into 1 minus 12, that is 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 equals to 0. Since for the point A11 the value of the left hand side x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0, so we can say that the point A11 lies on the circle. Okay, that's why we have written the point A11 lies on the circle. Okay. Another part again, now we are rearranging the equation x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equals to 0. This x square plus 4x plus 4 and then y square plus 6y plus 9 minus 12. We have written in the left hand side more, 4 plus 9, that is 13. Just to make it balance, we have written 13 in the right hand side. Okay, this will be x plus 2 whole square, this expression will be y plus 3 whole square, 13 plus 12, this is 25, 25 we can rewrite into the square form 5 square. So if we compare with the x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to a square, then we get h equals to minus 2 and k equals to minus 3. That's why we have written here whose center is C, minus 2 comma minus 3 and radius 5 unit. Let the other end point be a bxy of the diameter AB. You just see you just see in the diagram. Let the center C is the middle point of the diameter AB. Then we can write down minus 2. X, A is 1 1, B the point B is x comma y, and the point C is minus 2 comma minus 3. Then we can write down minus C 2 equals to 1 plus x by 2 and minus 3 is equal to 1 plus y by 2. By making calculation of this part, we get x equals to minus 5 and y is equal to minus 7. So the other end point of the diameter is minus 5 comma minus 7. Okay. Now we would like to discuss a creative question. You just see that scenario 1 and scenario 2 scenario 1 is a diagram and scenario 2 is a equation of a straight line 3x plus 4y equals to 2. Find the question number 1, find the center and radius of the circle. R is equal to 6 cos theta and 4 sin theta. Determine the equation of the circle from the scenario 1. Then question number C, find the equation of the tangent of the circle whose are the both perpendicular to the scenario 2. Answer to the question number 1A. You just see that given that the equation of the circle was r equals to 6 cos theta plus 4 sin theta, we are multiplying both sides by r. Then we will get r square is equal to 6 r cos theta plus 4 r sin theta. Then by polar coordinate we know that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So from this relation we get r square is equal to x square plus y square, and 6 this 6 r cos theta is x and this 4 and r cos sin theta is y. So by we can rewrite this x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y equals to 0. Comparing this general equation, comparing this equation with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, we will get 2g equals to minus 6, 2f is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 0. That is g equals to minus 3, f is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 0. You just see that we have written like this, g equal to minus 3, f equals to minus 2 and c equals to 0. So its center minus g comma minus f, that is 3 comma 2. Okay, and radius square root of g square plus f square minus c. Since g is minus 3 whole square, that is 9, and f is minus 2 whole square is 4, minus c is 0, the value of c is 0. So 9 plus 4, this is 13, square root of 13, radius is square root of 13. So the center is of the circle is 3 comma 2 and radius square root of 13 unit. Okay. Now you just see that let the equation of the circle x square plus y square. Okay, dear student, now we would like to give you some homework. You just see x square plus y square minus 10x minus 16 plus 64 is a circle and 4x plus 3y plus 8 is a straight line. Find the center of the and radius of the circle and this and this. Okay, thanks to all.